Do you want better digestion, fewer inflammations, glowing skin, more energy, and a better mood? Then stick around. I'm about to unwrap a fancy breakfast you need in your morning routine to keep your gut happy and thriving. This breakfast is carefully designed to give your gut microbiome a serious boost. Every element works together to support digestion, reduce inflammation, and strengthen your gut lining, all by fueling the right processes deep in your digestive system. It promotes the production of beneficial compounds in the gut, supports a healthy balance of bacteria, and even helps regulate things like blood sugar and immune response. The best part? It's simple, delicious, and the science behind it is seriously impressive. How to make? This gut-friendly breakfast is as nourishing as it is delicious. Here's what you'll need for one serving. Each ingredient chosen with purpose: 40 grams whole grain oats, a gentle source of soluble fiber to support digestion and keep you satisfied. 150 milliliters unsweetened almond milk or water, a light base to keep things clean and simple. 1 tablespoon chia seeds, fiber-rich and packed with healthy fats to support gut and brain health. 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed, a boost of fiber and plant compounds that nourish your microbiome. 2 tablespoons coconut yogurt with live probiotics, creamy and full of beneficial bacteria to balance your gut. 1/2 green banana, sliced, rich in resistant starch to feed the good bacteria in your colon. A handful of blueberries, fresh or frozen, full of antioxidants and gut-supporting polyphenols. 1 tablespoon inulin powder or acacia honey, acts as a prebiotic, feeding your beneficial bacteria. 1/2 tablespoon pumpkin seeds, a mineral-rich topping with magnesium and zinc. A pinch of cinnamon helps keep blood sugar stable and adds a cozy flavor. For the preparation, start by cooking the oats in almond milk or water over low heat for about 5 minutes until you get a smooth, creamy porridge. At the end of cooking, stir in the chia seeds, ground flaxseed, and either inulin powder or acacia honey. This step adds that extra gut-friendly boost. Let the mixture cool slightly, then transfer it to a breakfast bowl. Finish by adding the sliced green banana, a dollop of coconut yogurt, a handful of blueberries, pumpkin seeds, and a pinch of cinnamon on top. And that's it! Your gut-friendly breakfast is ready to enjoy. If you want more recipes like this, let me know in the comments. I'd love to share more. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a gut-loving tip.